Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, promote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets for manifestation of protection, healing, love, money. So available yan sa Shopee at sa TikTok. Pakicheck na lang po ang link sa description. So Aquarius, this is a general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So Aquarius, let's see your weekly reading August 28 to September 3. What's up? Aquarius, you have the owl. The owl symbolizes knowledge, wisdom. So, maaring nakaka-experience kayo ngayon ng maturity. Nagmamature na kayo. Oo, may wisdom. You are gaining wisdom from your experiences. And maaring mas madali niyo na sa inyo ngayon na mag-decide, no, tahakin yung mga landas na gusto nyong tahakin. And this is also about clarity sa situation ninyo. So, kung kayo ay merong naguguluhan kayo sa sitwasyon nyo, anytime soon, you will gain clarity from this situation. You also have the whale. Whale is about communication, harmony, and authenticity. So, kung mapapansin niyo, may duality rito. So, this is a symbol of balance, no? So, maaring meron kayong babalansehin sa buhay ninyo, yung mga bagay na hindi niyo nabibigyan ng atensyon ng mga nakaraang linggo. Ngayong week na to, doon naman kayo magbibigay ng oras at panahon. And this is also about communication. So, maaring you will be communicating to people, mas magre-reach out kayo ngayon sa mga mahal niyo sa buhay. And the way na you communicate with others are very authentic, no? Yung totoong-totoo talaga. Whether this is, it doesn't matter kung merong taong hindi magugustuhan yung the way you express yourself or the way you say true things, yung mga totoo sa buhay mo or opinion mo, hindi ka na maapektuhan doon kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na naging totoo ka. So, let us see what else. Aquarius. Peacock, self-love. Time to celebrate you and all your magnificent light. Yes. So, syempre, love your own, 'di ba? So, mas magbibigay ka ng oras at panahon sa sarili mo. Mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo. The way you carry yourself. So, mas magiging confident ka. Just like this peacock, no? Yes. Maaring meron kang mga i-enhance sa sarili mo. Pwedeng surgical, pwedeng non-surgical. The way you style your hair para mag-boost ang iyong confidence. You also have tiger, divine timing. Good things come to those who wait. So, maaring ngayong week na to, ini-encourage ka na mas maging patient, no? Lalo na doon sa mga hinihintay mo na gusto mo nang mangyari, ma-experience. Pero, may mga times na hindi pa sa atin binibigay yon. Maybe because it's not yet the right time or merong mas magandang bagay na ibibigay sa'yo ang universe. So, patience is a virtue. Ayan. So, tinan pa natin. Your overall energy for this week, Aquarius, is the Three of Cups. Yes, socialization, no? Reaching out to other people and celebration. Chill na chill yung week for you. Or this is how you want to experience this week. You might be attending some event, celebration, reunion with your friends and family. Your challenge is the Page of Cups. Meron kayong di ma-express na feelings sa isang tao. Baka crush nyo to. Or pwede rin namang maaring may blockage na natatakot kayo kung tatanggapin ba tong sasabihin nyo dun sa taong yon. I-validate ba yung feelings mo nung taong yon? So, merong fear. Kaya nga you're being asked to be more authentic, more true to yourself. So, your opportunity is this Two of Swords. So, you have an opportunity to finally make a decision na matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan. You've been contemplating about it in the past few weeks, pero hindi ka makapag-decide. Pwedeng may gagawin kang changes sa iyong trabaho, sa career, sa relationship, or even yung pag-voice out mo ng feelings mo, yung pagtatapat mo ng feelings for someone. So, let's see, what is this? Anong decision making to? Uy, related sa pera, Oo, second house. Baka meron kang gustong subukan na bagong pagkakakitaan. Iniisip mo, gagawin mo pa ba? Is this the right time? So, pag ganyan, pag-isipan mo maigi. Oo, especially that, marami ngayon naka-retrograde na planets. We have Mercury in retrograde, Venus is in retrograde. So, Venus rules money and beauty and art. So, yeah, take precautionary measures. But of course, hindi na wag mong hayaan na malimitahan ka ng mga retrograde na to. Ang ibig lang sabihin nito is, dapat mas responsible ka in taking that decision or making that decision. Okay? And then, your blessing is the Five of Cups. So, I think merong acceptance from your past na maaring hindi mo dinideal, no? You don't want to deal with it, pero ngayong week na to, you will finally deal with it, and you will accept yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kayang baguhin or i-control. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na meron ka pang ibang pwedeng bigyan ng attention or gawin. Meron pang other options, no? Hindi lang yung mga bagay, sitwasyon, tao sa buhay mo na nawala sa'yo. You also have Mercury and Sagittarius in the 9th house, which is about discovery. So, ayan. Meron kang i-explore. This can be a new place, a new country, or a new idea, or a new belief system na kung saan mas madadagdagan ng iyong talino, galing, no? Kaya nga may owl dito, which is about your wisdom, your knowledge. And then, you have Mercury in Capricorn in the 10th house. So, related to your career. I think itong Mercury na to, sa dalawang Mercury dito no? So, I think itong Mercury retrograde sa'yo ngayon is also a way to reflect on your ideas, your thoughts. Na kung ano yung mga iniisip mo na sumasagabal sa mga decision making mo, yung mga blockages, yung mga limitations mo. So, yung mga tinatawag na self-limiting beliefs, no? You're going to let that go and focus on organizing things for your career, for yourself, for your dreams. Ayan. So, mas focus ka dun sa realistic. Iwasan mo na mag-overthink na mga bagay-bagay na alam mo naman na hindi makakatulong sa pag-i-improve ng iyong situation. Warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. So, maging maingat. Okay, you have this warning. Ingat sa pagdi-deal sa ibang tao. Ingat din sa mga decisions na iti-take mo. And, take precautionary measures, of course. Wow, meron ditong money path. A path with money is waiting for you to find it. Hinihintay lang ang iyong ang dating mo. Hinihintay ka lang na ma-discover itong money path na to. So, for those who are trying to start a business, maaring meron kayong i-explore na opportunity to earn monies like business. So, kailangan well-informed ka, no? Oo, educate yourself dito sa papasukin mo para hindi ka magsisi. Wow, tinan mo, money will be coming to you, Aquarius. Yes. So, kahit na meron ditong warning of a problem in the near future, I think ano lang to, parang sinasabi lang sa'yo na mag-ingat ka doon sa mga dealings mo sa ibang tao, no? Mas maging mapanuri. Ayan. The wisdom and messages of the divine are within you. Yes. Ayan o. Ayan na yung wisdom na yan na you already have. Smile, you will soon experience a wonderful journey of inner discovery. See? Ito, discovery, tapos journey. Nako, marami kang ma-experience about yourself or marami kang ma-discover about yourself through your experiences. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.